If you see this title, I entitled it Ambrose and Monica, how I win them in court and police station. You know, those people, they are such useless people I don't want to be talking about because we are not of the same category. But I always want to talk about them when it's needed for people that have head, that want to learn to learn. This issue of evidence, not be today I bring and come outside. My camera, I bought 800 euro then. Ambrose now follow me go back. I know they speak the language now online. They call the place marketplace. Netherlands. I ask ya. Now me see ya. I lay beggar. Me carry me go in get motor. And may help me speak Dutch. When I got there, even though he was speaking Dutch, I was speaking English to the person. For the person to know say na me they buy am o, na my own o. The person here English, but we not enough he speak fluently. So when we come out, can't test the camera dey good. I can't ask the man for receipt. He said, no, he not get receipt, no, they give receipt. I refuse. I said, I'm not paying. He can't say you not get receipt to say still get receipt when they buy. And you say we both they'll print one receipt come outside. So after it will fade, nothing will there. If you not laminate and go fade. He said that one, then again, no even say don't fade. Now me tell you, how will take give me receipt. I say, carry plain paper. You can't go bring plain paper for a printer. I say, write your name. Write your address. Write your, write phone number that time. And then write your name, write your address, sign. Write the camera. Everybody surprised. Me when they go interpret for the things say I be mumu, they surprised. The man don't have option. I've already shown you my 800 euro. And you see why Ambrose supposed to win the case when he not come winner. That money when I they give the whole, I don't give them almost 1,000 plus whole euro. So the day when I want to go buy my 300 day with me, I can't tell them make them withdraw my money, give me. He and Monica can't they fight. He say Monica don't use my money. Say now you can't give me now. Ambrose went that same day go and withdraw 500 euro for his account. So now that one he tell they fight me, say make them check your account. Say now him buy and say that they say go withdraw money. I fight and win now with that receipt. And the man, when police was able to trace the man, the man can't tell the person, tell police, the person when he buy this camera, not they hear in Dutch. One man when he follow a corner, the man they help and they interpret, which is Ambrose. That was how I won the case in police station. Before we now still go to court, I thought I would win the rest things that don't have receipt. So I was not able to win other things in court because no evidence. They only return tripod to me because the camera goes with tripod. So what am I trying to tell you people? Learn from me. I know go school abi, no wahala. If you are buying something from today, from the day me and my ex-wife start this saga, they say the thing not get receipt. Even in a block when they buy house, the block industry not get receipt. Tell and say piece of paper. You go write down date, write down, you go use a form receipt. Even if you want help and write down, you go write, you say, you ask me to write it for you, you go write down there, so date, so time, I bought 100 blocks from you, I, Mr. Good Luck Adeboye, I paid. You go write history, join the receipt. He go sign. Whether na cash or na brick, that receipt will go a long way for you. So I just want to let you know, not be today, if not today, I for fair. That is why I was able to get camera back from Ambrose and Monica. Evidence. Evidence. Don't bother a receipt when they print. They must not print it to your biro. Your paper. Even if you not see. If na carton of drink you get there that day, you not see paper. See this carton of drink. Tierra. Bam. I will tear this one, you will see it. Tear. No more than evidence you need. Write down. When the write down finish, you go snap pan. Even though they thief this one, the one where you snap, or rain beat this one, the one where you snap, maybe probably go save into your email, into your Google. All the receipt where this woman carry, I bought 99.9 via my account. All the money cash when she carry go market claim say na e get am. If I trace am, you will see say I newly come for abroad or native doctor money dey bring money. So it's very difficult for her to prove. Because any day she prove say na cash she send, she have to prove it. Any day she say she pay for her account, we must trace her money to enter her account that year, that week, that month. Where money for enter your account? You dey sell dog, good and fine. That customer will see am. Because my money, she go put am for her account. So if you go put money cash for her account, who follow you buy something, you will produce that person. Me, when I bring cash come home, I can call my customers when it come do juju for my hand. My history, when I tell they collect money for Polaris Bank, or what they call it, Polaris Bank, it did there. When I tell they collect dollars and euro, my history. If you bring my history, come outside. The euro when I they collect from abroad, when I tell they do juju for people, treatment, it did there. They were dragging me left, right, and center in Zenith Bank before. Then they can't see one babe. When I go Polaris Bank, the day I want to collect money, I go to the bank, then they fuck up. I can't enter Polaris Bank. That day I see this woman. This woman fall in love with me. Not be say we dey in love. But when she girls might know these people, but I just hold her tight because of make it for they give me priority. I not date her. I don't want to call her. If I call her, they will know her now. And I did dash her money. So it was only her. Before I would go, I'll call her. You sure say I'll see money collect today? He will say, no, don't come today. Come tomorrow. She's off. If I just they go direct. The history when I tell they collect dollars, euro, it dey Polaris Bank. So the dollar and euro when I collect, wait till I change and take do, we will sort them out. The history when people take they pay to my account say they want to do juju day, except those one will come from abroad, they'll come give me dollars, euro, pounds. I'll come change them. Wait till I take that money do. I change them to naira, I put for house. Queen Rose they shop nyafu. Welle. Nyafu. Queen Rose they shop nyafu. You are using my money to solve your family problem when you not feel solve when you was a billionaire or millionaire. I will use you teach people lesson. People will husband and wife when even they good condition now begin to the right to separate receipt. Or if you know say no buy them together right time, both of you sign. If you not buy them together, no matter how love shark you tell us say honey, please. I know we are not quarreling. And let me tell you, any woman when you send go market or any man, not let them pass a week before you ask for your receipt. So that you go know which name they right put. And the one where they write your name put, before they go change and snap them, back. You don't come for market, can I see the receipt? Snap them, back. Me now, I don't learn snapping now. As I buy something today, bam, and then they give me receipt and they snap, back. They go to my Google account. So start to the snap. Even your paper house snap. You cannot snap my paper house. Snap everything. They snap. You can even do a thief and you will go print your own come outside for Google Space. Even though they go change and you bring your receipt when you snap, she bring her the same thing. Now her name did her own. And now your name did the original one when you snap those days. They go to that office. Go arrest all those bastards. When she go back to, they can't give her another receipt in her name. They will arrest all of them. Don't say we are sweet. The day they drive this woman make come out in 6 years, the way they take the form love, you will need that beg, cry. Let me tell you, honey. Now only you will call me honey, darling, my king, my head, my leg, let me tell you, my king. You were from king, let me tell you, my prince. Do you know, me and you, we don't have family. Say me, we cannot get family. Me and you not get family. Now only me and you be family. Oh. As I tell her this, nothing say, I see no people all of them there against me. Now, and you say not get family. I say, I will use my man say, me not get family. Not be you drive my family. He said, me with her. We not get family. Now let me with her be family. Oh. Shame now will let her go anywhere. No, they go. Please forgive me. Oh. as he claimed to love me. You know, say for online, you don't ever say this woman talk bad about me. My husband, he can pretend if he did social media. My king, my husband, my this one, that. The day when police come here, it is say they want come by me. If they control my camera, they come out for when police want break my door. If they control camera, come out CCTV. Me with the drag camera for inside house. If they control, they come out so that the police no, they will force themselves in without evidence. And I know say I tell them for phone, say let me remove camera, force yourself in. As the Mumuri, she forget say camera they compound. My people, don't take love for real, being you man or woman. The way this woman they claim say they die for me. You know when he tell Uche say why they beg me, he no want make I know her plan. Only God know the plan, but all the plans fail. I was poisoned, I survived it. Make I show you sniper. I think I saw one sniper here, man. Which day self? Yes. This is sniper. Sniper is what this woman give me, and I survive it. Sniper. See, I'm not saying that this very one. No, I want you who don't know sniper. Make you know say na sniper be this. Who don't know? May I use water clean the nail in case you know they see well. Sniper. And he give me 3 years ago. Sniper. Because he knows say I use sniper spray here. I come from abroad. I don't know the strength of sniper. But I don't carry sniper enter house. I only go cover and can't go hide down inside kitchen wardrobe. I hide down. I no use them. So maybe as he come for work, we tell the system my dog don't they die. Because I use them for here where I chain dog. I think say will kill this thing when they their body. My 2 dogs can't die. He check kitchen now, see where I hide sniper. He quickly sees the opportunity. When dog take die for her, say I use sniper for kitchen. How many tell use sniper for kitchen? For you to know, now you see go they breed the sniper for kitchen. Say, hey, the sniper when you put there now, you use that for kitchen. I say I no use that for kitchen. He say he can fry for window. He say as I spray for back, if you pass window, enter plate where they take the cook when they give me food shop. I say it's not possible. I not even spray am. That's why I drop am. He convinced me. How you tell know where I kill sniper? When you come tell they convince me, say, hey, Shebi, you now you put am for kitchen, now you enter everywhere. I say, I no use am. I go hide down inside there. And I no think am till 3 weeks ago when I say, yeah, not true. They rush me to general hospital. They felt they rush. I felt they rush myself. I not just faint like a week like that. And now me they drive myself go private hospital, submit and all that in Shasha. When the thing was one night, now she drive me, rush me to general hospital. She said the form say she said chop man, but you forget to pretend. You not gonna remember pretend. Then check my system. They say kidney, liver, everything fail. They fail. Say my kidney increase. I begin they do mumu, they follow and they go everywhere. After not come they carry me go to the hospital, just they look me like say I will fit die. And me say lost my memory until one day I say what? I'm going to abroad. I rush to abroad. I not even go Holland. It be like say no quick me reach Holland. Now I call DJ Ben. DJ Ben when I talk yesterday, my best friend before. I still my best friend now, but we not since I married, we not on the floor. DJ Ben carry me to his daughter with his insurance. Belgium is easy as Holland as Nigeria. Holland is very difficult. Holland no will agree allow you treat another person with insurance. But they allow DJ Ben. Before the result come and say I no fit stay, I go to Holland. I leave am. Before Holland do all manners of tests, flush my system. They flush my system, give me some tablets, everything they okay. But I pretend to the woman that I am sick. I cannot come back and do what we are supposed to do. It was still forcing me to come back if you want to marry dead body. I lied to her and say I know still well. You still dey force me to come back. Person still lie to you, say no well from that poison. Why you still want me to come back from abroad so that you will come back for Nigeria? Or so that you will top am for am? And you don't already lie, say, na me chop the poison by myself, say the poison kill 2 of my dogs. So to say I kpai that time, my family member not even there with me, they no even talk. Now she will still come outside, come announce and say, as a result of the sniper when he put for us, he 2 dogs die, which is true. And those 2 dogs die, I bury them for compound. That I never do ties here. So if I see and show them, say, Mona dig here now, if I lie, see 2 dogs when he die. As a result of the sniper he ate, mistakenly he kpai. Now that time be once he don't take when he plan to carry my house and everything. But I survive sniper. So it's Ambrose and Monica's story, and this is where I'm going to stop it. Everything you are doing, get receipt. Another thing I want to tell you before I drop. Abeg, if you buy something when person don't already get receipt, if you buy something when person don't already get receipt on his name, they will turn the back. They will write, say, now you insert this thing for you, so date, time, month, year. He go sign. You too go sign. I repeat, if somebody don't buy something when get receipt, ask am even in a telephone. If you see receipt break, turn the back of the receipt. They will write, put wetin you buy, everything. They will write and date, month, even if it's not taking time. He go sign and he go write small, say, na he said this thing to you. You go write your name there, you when they sell land to. You go write down for the back. You go sign, That moment, snap both back and front. Snap in front when you be, or snap the back. And the rest space when you dey, I will show you wetin you go do as they come. I don't know whether I get that here again. The rest space, this is the back of the receipt. Now come write, come sign. You can't remain this space. Mark this space with 2 biro like this. Mark am 2 times. Not leave space, not leave any space for anybody to write. After you write from here, I, Mr. Monday, whatever, sold this thing or bought this thing, telephone, iPhone from so man. You write the amount, you write date, month, you now sign. The person you sold it for will sign. You can't remain this space. Cancel this space with, just cross this space with biro. Cross it like, don't leave a space. If you leave a space, you have this kind of S-woman I have. You will carry your receipt. You go write John. You come turn to Mr. and Mrs. You will come write for that space. Owele Rose Amen. Sign. You don't even need to write history, say so that for him. Only say Owele Rose Amen. Go sign for that space. You go write down. You go even write the date, back date and the same date. If police come, they see 2 of your name there. That phone will not go share am. That iPhone, if you still dey your life, you go say, nah, we bought it together. You not get excuse. That is why you need to cross this space. That is 1. 2, if you go to a police station, mostly Nigeria station, you can't write your statement finish. It remain space. When you sign finish, cross the space, cancel that space, not leave that space at all for any station. Whether you think say the case will big, you know, will big, not leave that space. If they bribe their way in, they will write nonsense under the remaining space. Say now you write and that nonsense can jail you. They will write, say you accept that you beat this person, you accept that you both of you bought this thing together. They will write every nonsense for that space. The day when you go come reach court, you will dey bounce, say, hey. You surprise, say, na different thing they go read that for you. And it may be too late that day. I rest my case. We are moving into New Year. What this year has given me, I cannot thank God enough. 2023 2023, how do I calculate it? We're just living 2023 gave me massive money. I rushed this house like Dangote. Everything is on a transfer. How you rotate the change to Naira enter my Nigeria account. I rush it. 2024, I did not get much money like 2023, but I was having so many breakthroughs. I was making money steady. Just like if I make 60,000 euro 2023, this year I make like 40,000 euro. It was not much than last year, but there was too much achievement this year, more than even 2023. This year I'm supposed to be in prison. This year, no matter who owned the child, twins was born in my hand. This year I bought a house. This year I escaped so many danger. So 2023 and 2024, mostly 24, when I get physical trial, both of them were great in a different way. In a different way. What are we talking about? Don't hide for your husband. Maybe if I say ask for receipt, you will say I no love her. Ask that your husband house when they built for Benin. I want to see my paper. I want to see the receipt. Anytime you go to Nigeria. Not say if I ask now, they'll say I don't the wise. They'll say you ask for me, do you think I want to take your receipt? Now like don't already take ammo. You will just open eye. But what do you mean? Do you think I need your property? You need that. Ask him. I no say na quarrel. Make I see that document, those documents and the receipt. Ah, baby, why you can't write your name now without telling me or our name? Now my name, even though I want to give you, now my name go there. Tell her. If you want to shout that time when we never carry around. Make family come, make them settle one. Then they want settle all the receipts. When they write, they will turn the back. Now if you go to lawyer, they will write, so receipt is for my wife, Mrs. Azegbemi. I mistakenly wrote my name because she wasn't in Nigeria. They will use the back of receipt right hand. All the receipt of that hand. It was Mr. Azegbemi. Now it's Mrs. Azegbemi. Mr. Azegbemi. I wrote my name because my wife wasn't in Nigeria. I wrote my name.